This small product can prevent big parking lot problems. This is RubberForm shopping cart corral bump. This was designed specifically for Costco's to keep your shopping carts in the shopping cart corral bay. Oftentimes high wind areas will blow the shopping carts around, smashing into your cars. Costco doesn't want that to happen. You don't want that to happen. RubberForm doesn't want that to happen. So the sleek design of our shopping cart corral bump, it's tapered off on both sides so you can roll your cart up and over. It's an easy, accessible option to keep the cart from rolling out into your parking lot. Other applications for the shopping cart corral bump, you could use this in front of your garage door to keep rain from coming in. Oftentimes I've seen this used on the sidewalk going into your grocery store, also to keep carts from rolling out into the parking lot. So here at RubberForm, we're always innovating. With our shopping cart corral bump, we used to paint on the yellow stripe. Now we use a retro reflective thermoplastic stripe. You can see here. It really helps to see at night and when it rains. This is just one example of how RubberForm consistently innovates new products. If you have an idea, reach out to us at rubberform.com.